welcome back. So today I'm just going to be doing a really quick video, and I'm going to be doing a 5-minute makeover, and hopefully the mini will be looking a little bit better by the end. It might look a bit of a disaster, but I'll let you know either way what it looks like. My friend Johnny picked up my camera and has provided us with some random commentary, so we'll just add that in.
We're going to start off with a bit of primer and some woolly brushes to just get rid of all the good paint. It's very difficult with the nuts and all, because it's really hard to get in there if you can see that properly. But if you just hammer away at the alloys, it might work. So today we are going to paint this petal cap for a Microfibres S. Ryan is going to spray it for some reason. First you have to give it a good old shake with the primer before you get a start. You have to get it all set up in the box. Make sure you keep it away from the S2000 because Vicky will kill everybody that does it. You start off with a bit of spray, right? Just a couple of sprays here and there on both sides. Give it a wee turnabout. Make sure you get every nook and cranny. Make sure you cover it all, and you have to flip it upside down to get to the bottom of it. Now you just let it dry for roughly about half an hour to 45 minutes, and then do a second coat until the primer is sorted. We'll be back in a wee second. There you go, after 45 minutes of drying, it is ready for the second coat. As you can all see, I have to go again because Ryan has missed a wee spot. You can always tell by that wrist action how it's going down. And instead of turning the box, you just move it out because it's a lot easier than actually turning it, because you don't want to get primer on your hands, which is an absolute nightmare to get off. That's the second coat on now, and now we just have to wait another 30 to 40 minutes.
And this paper we're using our part stock home brand, which is absolutely
fantastic. I would recommend it to anybody. Now, after you're done, you would leave it for another 30 to 40 minutes just to make sure it dries in properly before adding the next coat. And now you leave it for approximately half an hour until the paint dries perfect. Right guys, welcome back. We've just finished these two alloys. They're 17-inch mini RS, and we have just finished putting the third coat on. As you can see, we've put it on the alloys and also the floor. So you can tell that we're not going to be professional painters anytime soon. And now we're actually going to put on the primer now. The lacquer, sorry, my bad. The lacquer, because we lacquer.
As you can see,
These come out quite well.
So that just brings me to the end of the video, guys. I think it turned out not too bad actually, and yeah, that was just a little bit of a fun video today. A 5-minute makeover, which took us probably 4 hours. Let me know what you guys thought below, let me know if you liked the video, and let me know if you didn't like the video. So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.